Hi, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me today for my wig review for this very realistic looking wig called Senna in Velvet Caramel Rooted from the Akanu collection. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Right, before we start, I would like to say a big thank you to RBS Wig Studio for sending me this piece so I can review it for you. You will find the whole Akanu collection on their website, and you will find a lot of information on Cyberhair, which is what this wig is made of. Let's talk about Senna. Senna is from the Akanu collection, and the Akanu collection comes in 5 styles with 7 different colors, but you can have each color as rooted or non-rooted. So go and have a look at their website to check out the colors. They're beautiful. So this is obviously one of them, which is the Velvet Caramel Rooted. So gorgeous, so natural. The Akanu collection features Cyberhair. So they are made of 50% Cyberhair and 50% Futura heat-defiant fibers. I've never heard of Cyberhair before I came across this collection. So Cyberhair is by definition a synthetic fiber, but it is more durable than processed human hair, but it acts like heat-defying fibers in terms of it will hold its style, and you can add heat to it. The color will not fade. So the wigs from the Akanu collection will last you roughly 1 to 2 years depending on how you care for them, etc. So when you look at the price point, you might have been wondering why is it such a high price point for synthetic fibers? But this is because of the Cyberhair in it. It's just lasts you. As simple as that, with the correct care. Let's talk about Senna and this color, Velvet Caramel. As it says, you can see there is like medium brown, you have a root, and then it just goes into these caramel, almost like a balayage look or like a sun-kissed look. So really pretty. Just such a natural color. As you can see, no unnatural shine here at all. So, and here is the color outside. So let's talk about Senna. Senna is a medium length style. She is slightly shorter in the back and has a little bit of an A-line coming down to the front. So really quite modern look. I have to say, Senna is not straight out of the box. I wanted to wear her for a bit, feel how she feels on for a while, etc. So this is not necessarily what she will look like straight out of the box. She has a bit more of a slight wave to it. So I just wanted to see how she copes with the heat and how you can straighten her and curl her, etc. And that's why she doesn't look quite as she would out of the box. Senna comes, as all wigs from the Akanu collection, come with a hand-tied cap and a monotop, a lace front that in my opinion needs trimming, but it's an extended lace front, so you get a really nice natural look on the side. So let's look at this lace front. So for some of you, as you can see here, it lifts. So if you have maybe a slightly larger circumference than mine, it might not lift on you, but I have a 21.5-inch circumference, so I might have to stick it on, glued on. However, I've been wearing it like this without any glue, so it wasn't a problem for me. The knots are visible, so you probably have to use some powder or makeup to disguise them a little bit. Hard line is really beautifully done. I put a little bit of makeup on there, but yeah, as you can see, it runs all the way down here. Really natural look. There are no ear tabs as such. You just have 2 V's with the metal stays in them, but I will show you the cap in a minute as well. But look how flat that looks to the face. So It's so natural. This is my bio hair, by the way. So really natural look. So let's look at Senna from all sides. So the hair fiber, as I said, is 50% Futura HD fibers and 50% Cyberhair. So what you get with that is super lightweight hair. Cyberhair loves water, and I notice that whenever I think maybe it looks a bit frizzy, etc., I just use a spray bottle with water and it just goes back to really nice smooth hair. So with this kind of fiber, you get, instead of, how can I describe it? Instead of a swishy movement, you get a wispy movement. I hope this makes sense. Because it is so lightweight, you get, yeah, wispy, wispy movement, rather than that swishy movement. However, I think it's incredibly natural. So let's look at the cap construction. We have a mono top. All this section here is hand tied. You have a lace front, which does need trimming back, at least on me, which I've done here. You have kind of ear tabs, so you have the metal stays in them here, which are really nice and strong, but it lies really flush to the side of the head, so it's really easily attackable, etc. So as you can see, fantastic cap construction, really lightweight, really good for complete hair loss. And then you have a slightly extended nape with bra strap-like adjusters. So fit-wise, straight out of the box, fits my 21.5-inch circumference really well. You do have adjusters, so you can move it out and in. So I do think it would stretch to a 22. Anything above that, please check that with RBS wigs to see if it would comfortably fit you. Anything below that, I think it would fit you. But again, always check with RBS wigs. They are really helpful. So always reach out to them. So styling option wise, you can use heat on this, so you can curl it, straighten it, etc. So I try to do both. So at the moment I have an ever so slight wave in it. I straightened it, which worked really nice. I curled it, which was good too. So I now settled on this kind of slightly wavy look. Easily attackable on both sides. You can do a pony, can do a side pony, little one, but still possible. You can do half up, half down. I always like to just take some bits out. So I really hope you enjoyed this review and learning about Cyberhair. As I said, go to RBS Wig Studio to find out more about Cyberhair and about the Akanu collection. 5 styles, 7 different colors. I think it's worth a look. And I have a review of the Ryan, which is a long wig from the Akanu collection in Dreamy Blonde R on my YouTube channel already as well. And depending on when you watch it, I will have, or I already have, the Ryan in a brunette as well. So check them all out. Go and check out RBS Wig Studio and look at the Akanu collection. Reach out to them if you have any questions very specific to this collection or anything else, or put a comment and question down below. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at KWearsWigs. Have a lovely day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.